Hi everyone, this is Kubernetes SIG localization sub-project monthly meeting, and today is 2026, March 2. And we usually share our meeting agenda and check the listed items and discuss. So let me share our meeting note. Yes, this is our meeting note. Here, this one is our agenda list. And okay, let me share this meeting note here to the chat. Okay, I see many new participants here. So if you are if you are first time in for this meeting and you are feel free to share your introduction. So
Hi,
okay,
Soko.
yeah,
So,
hello.
so this is Peter, and first time be participating in this monthly meeting, and I have been selected as the mentee for the LFX mentorship, and also participating in the transitional Chinese localization. So excited to join the community and to see the wider issue here.
Thank you, Peter. And
Hi
Keshishi.
everyone, my name is Kashish. You can call me Cash. I've been attending SIGDocs meeting, but this is my first time that I'm attending the localization since I wanted to contribute and wanted to see the whole workflow of the localization project. And I'm excited to be here. I hope you're having a great day.
Good to see you here. And Lucian, am I saying your name correctly? I guess he or she cannot answer right now. So let's go for the agenda list. Okay, first item is LFX mentorship sharing. And currently we opened and we have started LFX mentorship for Sigoda's localization aspect and focused on localization automation and applying any AI technologies here. And so you can check the program here. And this program is meant for improving various workflows within this SIGDocs localization. As you know, existing and previous SIGDocs localization highly relied on person, human, and teams. But since there's lots of lag in contributors, so some teams actually need this kind of some automation. So for this program, we have selected only one mentee. We allowed to select one mentee, and as Peter mentioned, Peter Chang has been selected as our mentee. So timeline is here. If you're interested, please please check the timeline. And Peter and the mentors, Young and Eunjung and me, and we're going to collaborate with Peter and try to enhance overall SIGDocs localization, workflow, automation, and those aspects. So we are going to keep sharing our mentees and mentors tasks to the SIGDocs localization so that we all can collaborate each other. Is there any question for this LFX mentorship or good opinion on that?
I just have one more question. Since for this AI project, since you're going to be collaborating with other people, is it going to be open to other people as well to collaborate, for example, for testing, or is it just going to be between within the LFX mentorship selected members, or is the community members can also be participating in the testing part of this whole project?
Sure, I think all community members can participate, but if the tasks are designated to the mentee, then we are going to assign it to mentee, but we will surely remain other collaboration point to the community. So maybe Casey, you can join for this effort, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you. Is there any other questions? Okay, I guess none. And as I mentioned, we will keep sharing the progress and tasks with this LPX mentorship. Okay, let's go for the next item. And I hope to share initiation status for traditional Chinese localization. Currently, traditional Chinese localization tentative contributors try to initiate the team. And I think Peter is also one of the tentative contributor, and umbrella issue has been made here by Peter, even though there are several existing previous attempts for this initiation. But I think this umbrella issue by Peter is well organized, and you can keep checking the status. So we are going to create this team, and I'm going to help initiating and setting up all the environment for the team. And I made some final, additional comment on this issue. Is that to initiate this team and development environment, we have to make development branch for this traditional Chinese localization, and I'm going to create and share it to the team, and then I will request Netlify configuration so that PRs targeting to that development branch can provide build and preview. So I'm going to keep discuss with this traditional Chinese team as well as Peter, who opened this issue. So is there any question or opinion on this initiation for the traditional Chinese localization?
Just have one short question. Like Tim has mentioned that we have a previous like issue requesting to open up this new localization. So should we like to wait a little bit for the original proposal and to see which issue should be the tracking issue, or should we can we move forward with this tentative dev branch? And I don't know, like tracking issue, like we can choose one, right? Like we can just.
Sure, yeah. So there is existing similar issue, this one. not providing task list to initiation for initiation. So I think these two issues can be merged, and I think that this issue that you opened is well organized. So let me ask the existing. Let me ask to the author of this issue, the existing issue, so that this issue can be closed and then utilize your issue and keep track those tasks. So let me add my comment on this issue.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and additional comment on related effort for the traditional Chinese localization is this PR, and actually I have closed one PR related to the traditional Chinese localization, and this PR includes so many translated files, but this way usually not works because this PR is very hard to be reviewed by existing reviewers. Also, it might be translated by generative AI, and we are not sure it is human reviewed by the original author. We are not sure, so I made a question on that, and since there's no response, so I have closed. And then we are going to use this issue and team-based localization initiation. So regarding this traditional localization, I have one question. I hope to check relationship with this traditional Chinese used in Hong Kong and traditional Chinese used in Taiwan. Is related and can be collaborated each other so that we can cover another issue to initiate Hong Kong traditional Chinese localization. So maybe this question is to Peter.
Yes, I'm aware of this issue's existence, and I think there are some overlapping parts that we can collaborate with the Hong Kong team if they are interested in initiating a new localization, or we can use the same traditional Chinese localization. But if we want to use the same localization, then maybe the code number for that localization should be revised, because now we are using the label as ZHTW, and TW stands for Taiwan. And I'm not sure. So maybe we can open an issue to discuss with the Hong Kong and Taiwan contributors to see their opinions.
So your opinion is that those two languages can be can share the same base.
Yeah, like we use the same written characters, but I believe that there will be difference in like habits of language and words choice, and their native language is Cantonese. So maybe I don't know, maybe in a tech document that doesn't matter, but but like we also have the same cultural basis, like we have the same communication channel. So I think to some extent we can share the same basis, but it's up to them if they wanted to have a more localized version or they wanted to like some. I believe many parts can be reused.
Okay, I think we should proceed with this traditional Chinese for Taiwan tag, and then maybe we can add a comment to the issue to initiate traditional Chinese Hong Kong version localization, whether the tentative contributors have a willingness to join this traditional Chinese localization in terms of Taiwan, or keep waiting for gathering new members for starting new localization for traditional Chinese Hong Kong. Is it okay for your team, Peter?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. And I've shared about initiation for the traditional Chinese localization. Is there any other questions or opinions on this item? Yeah, well, I guess none. And let's go to the next item. And I have added also to check Persian Parsi localization status. And Parsi localization also is in an initiating status. They have created development branch and keep adding their localized document. And I'm as a localization sub-project lead. I'm waiting for their targeting milestones when their initial job can be published to the live. Once they are ready, their development branch will be merged to the main branch. Then the Parsi localization will be available soon. But I think there is no contributor member from Parsi localization team members, right? Is there any member from the Parsi localization team here? Okay, I guess there's no. So let's go to the next item. And I hope to share another discussion about using single PRs for minor peaks effect or localizations. So there's a discussion to discuss about some difficulties in localization area once the source English document have changed. A single change should will affect to all localization. And currently we SIG guide the changes to localization document should be handled by its localization team. So even for a single small changes to English document, that changes is not included. The changes to other languages is not included in one PR. So we are keep generating separated PRs here. So it is actually problematic and maybe slow down by reviewing too many PRs, too many peoples. But this problem cannot be simply improved because there's for each localization team, they have their own way and workflow to update their document once the source document has been changed. So uh, ownership actually are in those separated localization teams. So we cannot simply enhance this this issue. But this issue is very this discussion is actually very long-term discussion and not improved. So I hope to introduce this issue to all the uh, contributors who are interested in localization, and I'm going to share it to all the localization teams so that we can improve and clear this discussion and issues. So that's the reason why I've shared this issue, this discussion here. So if you have any idea or questions, then you can make discussion comment here. And my observation on this discussion, I think we should allow including English and localization, localized document update into one PR so that we can reduce our workload here. And maybe it is also related with our improving the workflow based on automation and applying some AI technologies here. So please take a look on this discussion and provide any idea if you have. But discussing this issue, this discussion issue in this meeting might take too long. So just feel free to check the discussion. So for this discussion, is there any question or your idea on this discussion? Then you can share in this meeting. Okay, yeah. As I mentioned, feel free to check this discussion, and if you have any idea, please share to this discussion item or the localization Slack channel. Okay, thank you. And okay, let's go for the let's discuss next item. And we also need some opinions for this PR. This PR is to automate KubeCon event list. So this PR provide some automation for our home page. using some partial code. So if this one has been applied, then you will see here, yeah, this part. Currently, announcing this KubeCon event is based on text-based. We open a PR to update this section, but if we apply the suggested PR, this one will be automated. But automation in here requires, automation for this PR is only for the English document, not for the localized document. So for localization contributors and teams, this automation will not fully automate this KubeCon event listing. So currently this list in case of Korean localization, this list should be updated by localization teams, even for this localization automation. So it is just sharing, and we need some opinion from localization teams as well. So for localization team, this automation is partial automation. So if you are a team member of a localization team, then please share it to your localization team so that others can provide their idea. Okay, is it any question on this on this PR or any other nice opinion? So actually we need a good opinion on this PR. Since this one cannot provide full automation, and partial automation usually very crucial to our localization effort. Okay, I guess no. So let's go for next item. Next item is to sharing Korean localization and Teams update. And in Korean localization, we have several updates that can be shared to other localization teams. So first one is we have added language-specific localization guide document only for Korean localization team. So we already have a localization guide document for Korean here. I think many localization teams already have observed this localization. Let me change it to English. So here, contribution, Kubernetes Korean localization guide. We have guideline for Korean specific localization policies and style guidelines only for Korean, and also we have this special Korean localization glossary. If we see those English terms in English document. When we translate it to Korean, we use this kind of translation rules. And we, in Korean localization team meeting, we usually discuss which terminology glossary should be added in this mapping table, determine how this English term should be translated into Korean. So this one is existing one, but recently we have added this Korean best practice new document. And the objective is slightly different with the previous document. We only include localization best practice since during our Korean localization contributions, we have reviewed so many PRs, but new contributors still make some mistakes, and PR reviewers try to improve those PRs. And we determined that those practice can be shared, the review practice can be shared. So we made this kind of form to share our review comment, and those review comment becomes best practice. Like that, we provide additional practice rules, and then some reference link, and so on. So I think this kind of best practice document is useful to any other localization teams. So maybe traditional Chinese localization team can make this kind of best practice document as well. So feel free to check this new document, and as localization sub-project lead, I would recommend to add this kind of document to other localization teams as well. Is there any question on this item? Okay, I guess none. And next one is the Korean localization team actually have used the Zoom account, a personal Zoom account, but currently we got support from SIGDocs directly, and we got SIGDocs Zoom account and other Zoom cadence as well. So we have officially added our Zoom meeting to SIGDocs calendar as well. So like that, so we will have bi-weekly meeting, and this Zoom meeting has been provided by SIGDocs. So if your team, localization team, are currently making a regular meeting, and if you need this kind of support, then you can request it to the SIGDocs chairs or SIGDocs sub-project, localization sub-project lead, me or Abby. Okay, and the last item is Korean localization. In Korean localization, we have new reviewer, Eunjang Park, and she gave lots of review comments in Korean localization, and she has become official Korean localization reviewer, so I would like to share for this good news. So yeah, thank you. And that's all from the Korean localization team update. Is there any question regarding Korean localization activities and status or opinions? Okay, I guess none. And the last item is about sharing, initiating Tagalog localization. And there's some tentative contributors who are seeking finding additional members to form a team. There's some small activities from Tagalog localization, and it is not initiated yet because there are too few tentative contributors. So if you are watching this recording and you are interested in Tagalog localization, come to this SIG localization channel and share uh, your intention, you are interested in Tagalog localization. Then we are going to try to match the previous existing tentative contributors so that you can form a new team. Okay, I think we covered all the agenda items listed in this meeting note. And is there any items, items that should be discussed in this meeting? Or if you have any questions, feel free to share since we have still some time. And I think there's a new participant from Korean localization team. Sawyer,
I'm here.
hello.
Hello.
So since you are here first time, so do you wanna introduce yourself?
Okay. Hello, my name is Sawyer Yoon. I am cloud engineer, and nowadays I interested in AI. And recently, I I organized the Shen Cloud Native Community Korea. Maybe you know, you guys know. Is under the CNCF organization. Yeah. It's done. Thank you.
Good to see you here, Sawyer, and thanks for organizing Korean community. You mean CNCG Korea, right?
Its full name is CNCK. Yeah.
Yeah, CNCK means Cloud Native
Community Korea.
Community Korea.
Yeah.
That's nice. And please share Korean localization activity whenever we can to the community.
Yeah.
Okay, is there any other question or items to requires to discussion? Okay, I guess there's none, so this meeting can be adjourned. So thank you for participation and have a nice day, folks.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Bye bye.
Great day. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.